We've set the corner of the room. We've established a measuring tape along the edge of it. We brought that out into the room. We X'd across the room to set up a measuring tape on the floor. And we've set our carpet in. I think the next thing to do is to do the fireplace here. The fireplace is 4 feet wide. It comes right here to the center of the room on the left wall, which relates to vanishing point right. So here's the line between the wall and the floor relating to vanishing point right. This is my left wall. So my fireplace is going to go over here. From the 5 towards the 2.5 towards the 7.5, how far do I go? 2 feet each direction. So I'm going to go just short of this 2.5 line, and I'm going to go just short of that 7.5 line. I'm going to make little marks going vertically that say I'm moving up. And this is where the fireplace attaches to the wall. It's heading up towards the ceiling. If you see the place where the fireplace and the ceiling connect, like I do right here, I don't see it up here, but I do see it on this side. That's where that would stop. But to come into the room with this hearthstone, I want to come out almost to the edge of the carpet. To come into this room, because I already have my right vanishing point line established here, the floor moves in 2 dimensions. It moves towards right vanishing point and it moves towards the left vanishing point. All of these lines on the floor go to right or left vanishing point. So to draw a line on the floor for the hearth, the footprint, I'm going to come away from left vanishing point, out into the room, towards that carpet. I'm going to stop just short of it. I'm going to come from this line here into the room, towards vanishing point left. And then I'm going to go off towards vanishing point right and establish the front edge of the footprint of the hearth. I'm going to change it just a little because I want it to be shorter in the far end. I want those lines to converge. Then I'm going to put a little mark going vertically at the front corner of the hearth, just a little dash going up. And I'm going to connect these on their way to right vanishing point. I'm going to bring this back towards the wall, towards the left vanishing point. Halfway out along that hearthstone is the edge of my fireplace. So I'm going to come out here a little ways. I'm going to make another vertical line right here. That's going to be the edge of my chimney, the front edge on the left-hand side. Then here I need a 3rd dimension because I've got height and left vanishing point. I need to go off towards the right vanishing point to about the center of this to establish the front edge of my chimney, and where it hits this is where it's going to head up again. And that is going to be the edge of my chimney out here.